Before the stars, before the galaxies, before even time as we know it, there was silence. Then, everything changed. In a fraction of a second, the universe burst into being. Not into space, but as space. Not in time, but creating time. This was the Big Bang. Not an explosion in space, but the birth of space itself. From an infinitely dense point, the cosmos began to expand. Not into anything, but stretching the very fabric of existence. And in those first tiny moments, the laws of physics were written. Gravity, electromagnetism, the forces that would go on to shape every atom, every star, every living thing. But that was only the beginning. As the universe cooled, particles formed. Hydrogen and helium were born. And over time, hundreds of millions of years, those simple elements collapsed under gravity, igniting the first stars. And in those stars, the magic happened. Nuclear fusion forged new elements: carbon, oxygen, iron, the building blocks of life. When those stars died, they scattered their ashes across space, enriching the cosmos with the materials that would become planets and people. You, me, everything we know, made from stardust. And yet, even as we gaze up at the night sky, few of us grasp the scale of the story we're a part of. Our Earth is a small rock orbiting a medium star in a quiet corner of the Milky Way. But the Milky Way itself is just one of over 2 trillion galaxies, each with billions, sometimes trillions of stars. Between them, voids of darkness, oceans of nothingness stretching across unimaginable distances. And still, we dare to ask, how did this all begin? Where is it going? And, most haunting of all, why is there something rather than nothing? These are not just scientific questions. They are human questions. They're questions about meaning, about origin, about destiny. For centuries, we've tried to answer them with myth, with philosophy, with observation. But now, for the first time in history, we have tools that allow us to look back, not just years or centuries, but billions of years. We can see the faint glow left over from the birth of the universe, the whole cosmic microwave background. A silent whisper of light stretched by time, still echoing across space. We can map the expansion of galaxies, the structure of dark matter, the pull of dark energy. We've sent telescopes like Hubble and James Webb beyond Earth's atmosphere to look not just farther, but deeper. We're no longer guessing, we're uncovering. And as we do, we realize that the universe is not static. It's dynamic, evolving, alive, in its own cosmic way. Galaxies collide and merge. Stars are born and die. Black holes devour matter and warp time. And somewhere, in the midst of all this vastness, a fragile species on a pale blue dot begins to wonder and to understand. That's where you come in, because this series, this journey through space and time, isn't just about stars and numbers. It's about you. Your atoms were forged in stars. Your mind can comprehend galaxies. You are, quite literally, the universe trying to understand itself. And in the episodes to come, we'll explore how the cosmos began, how it works, and how it might end. We'll travel through the history of time. We'll dive into black holes. We'll sail across the cosmic ocean. And we'll confront the deepest mysteries science has ever faced. But first, let's begin where all good stories begin. At the beginning. Because to understand where we're going, we must first understand where we came from. So take a breath, look up, and remember, you are part of something vast, something ancient, something beautiful. You are part of a story written in stars. And that story is just getting started.